Joining us now is Clay Nesler, Vice President for Global Energy and Sustainability for Johnson Controls. Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
Now, in your title and your responsibilities at the company, what exactly are your company's goals and objectives when it comes to climate change?
Yeah, we've really got three strategies around sustainability. One is to reduce our internal operations footprint. One is to go upstream and improve the eco-efficiency of our supply chain. And then finally, and probably most important, is through our products and services, help our customers be more sustainable. With respect to our own operations, from 2002 to 2008, we reduced our carbon intensity by 30%. And then we decided we would double down on that goal, so we've set another 10-year goal of a 30% reduction. And that's been very important. Over the last 10 years, our revenues have increased by 78%, but our carbon footprint has only increased 10%. So decoupling our carbon footprint from the growth of our business is a high priority.
The theme of this year's conference is Building Climate Solutions. So how does Johnson Controls contribute to this?
Yeah, we're a multi-industry global company, and our industries are building efficiency. We're in the battery business, and including batteries for start-stop vehicles and hybrid electric and plug-in electric vehicles, as well as automotive components, where lightweighting is a key sustainability strategy. With respect to building efficiency, where I believe the greatest opportunity is, we've worked with other NGO partners, CCAP, U.S. Green Building Council, the World Green Building Council, the Business Council for Sustainable Energy. And we've worked to create a playbook for governments, particularly in emerging economies, to be able to put in place integrated sets of policies to improve the energy efficiency of their buildings. It's a collaborative approach where members of the public sector and the private sector can come together to address capability and capacity issues, as well as create demand for energy efficiency. Probably the single greatest, most cost-effective thing we can do to address both mitigation and adaptation is through improving energy efficiency in buildings.
And the whole playbook idea is really pretty unique and maybe very necessary.
Yeah, we brought it together and actually released it at Rio Plus 20. We made a commitment at Rio Plus 20 to help governments, and whether that be national governments, state governments, or local governments, follow this playbook and put in place policies to improve their energy efficiency.
Excellent. Why do you think a conference like this is important for climate change?
Well, climate change is such a critical issue that all stakeholders have to get involved. It's not just policymakers, it's not just the private sector, it's physical scientists, it's social scientists, and really I believe that the best solutions will be complex. These are systems level type problems that we're trying to address, and the scientific community has always had a strong voice in identifying the challenges and being able to extrapolate what some of the potential impacts are. I feel they have a very strong role in helping us to find the solutions to climate change as well, and contributing to that debate and discussion and the implementation. Universities are a great example where universities are making commitments, setting goals, and taking real action to address climate change. And we need to build on that, make universities test beds for solutions, bring in the investment, show the results, and then extend that to broader parts of the economy.
You get to show some of that and network a little bit in these kinds of conferences.
Absolutely.
Terrific. Well, thank you so much for joining us. A lot of information there.
My pleasure.
Thanks.